Ina ka o share some so.
There or touch I better answer. Say master one nsem bi na enra.
Ken go say
or
transfer window you bed.
Oh, I feel
Bed the papa because last year it was dull and boring. Last year apart from Ronaldo, you know. Now we have any major transfer news.
Oh, I feel baby.
But I feel the sort of unsettlement of all players be brafano. Our more din kakrano.
And no end day I radio for the so end as I say okru.
Sa.
What
did you radio transfer? Kid. So steady. So this will count to what you will shake you. Okay. Kid Judy. We Judy said never know much.
How much me cocky cabo more I don't know you for.
Why can't a bed?
You are back.
And I can see a bit of triangle be in this particular transfer window.
Oh yes, triangle to be
a bit more than triangle.
Especially Barcelona, Chelsea, and Real Madrid.
You said James Rodriguez, they are not so. James, they are not so. Bayern Munich. James is not settled. And I can't be able to say Ortana, but this is footballers.
And Chelsea now confirmation, but lawyers now advice on. Into Chelsea, in young call, some fees on pan no more. On be accepted by no. On more accept yes, as I recall. Has our no replacement to be
there's policy.
Policy.
Yeah, policy from Dortmund. Together with this Ghanaian international, also not done. That means Chelsea will be forced to give their youngsters opportunity.
Because I know you're proud until I saw a train.
Oh, but now roughly by next year, next season, they know I recover.
In some will be pre. But come on Central Market on a first part. Okay. Oh, just for power energy.
Oh, okay.
It does.
Friday.
Can
friends part. Is it I don't Friday and Saturday I'll come to no bosom will bury and maybe. And I mean, then feeling, you know, I feel I'm a Benjamin.
I mean, I'm across what church or about Kotokona, calling the Maya management member. Said that's what treasures.
King says, good.
I'm going to go.
King, you pay me a cup.
I'm a biscuit.
We soon will bury, and let us say, and you may have a banner for my
do with what you are.
Tobacco.
Okay. It was all sorry, no cost. Send to my treasures. I didn't.
Oh, can send your queen BBO baby, Anna.
And I make it.
Can't they say, one penny club, so yet.
It's going to be amateur people. I'll bet a champion. No, and somehow, young Ryan says, they say, Osafado, ever the transfer audience, some number, Osafado, baby on the number. PJ, dear Swabber.
Okay.
You buy your free club and McCoy.
Dear ma PJ,
what's a PJ no be answered on Pamdo? What's a drama? Oh, a drama, Salatama.
Okay, transfer news, I give one mutua.
Give us some more. Now, what take a decision?
Aha, give you some mutua. On them penny for Dim Comona. Yatia say, Obian Cassa. Obin Kobi was and Obin Kobi was and yen free when yen tea and temp no be on front 12 na bravos. Sana and no band. But maybe your safari will be behind me.
Was I walk out there?
King King, medical to concern about Black Stars. Rantian 4 confirmed players. More Black Star da. Yen from Black Star da. Call Dubai. Tony, and I say training camp. Nuru Musa, former Wafa player, under 23, Matthews or Hubi. A branch of my friend Samuel Kwame Wusu. Obobo Serbia.
Samuel Kwame Wusu.
We never knew. Samuel Kwame Wusu. Yaboa. And the Kwamna Wusu.
Yeah, your boy, Man City.
Yeah, Man City player.
Kwabra Wusu.
Under 23 player.
Under 23.
You know one and Ghanaian names.
The deal we see Munana for
4 players confirmed. Omo Black Star. But who said you need coach Kasa? We say 30 players. But Kim, you show my year and every. I'm a source with Ginny Depa. 28 players na initially. Naka coaches for somebody 30 ko. We say 30 ka 3 players bia omo ye local base no person mo so ko Dubai hobi. Na mo kwaji per diem no mo feel Dubai environment na kakra. but normalization committee say second new into you make me afford the 28 players. It is 28 players, local based player. Obetuma Kobino, Felix Annan.
Fatal the Nani.
Fatal the Nani. And a has boy no has fatal also.
Fatal for me.
Fatal for me. There be a fatal se conte. Nina King. Now King. We got that no. Our papa has sports stadium. Nana Kwame Dampa. Any shishila jina ho. I say leak tape ya na say audio ya na mabontin. Kakabo tape ya na mabontin.
Kakabo mensa.
Nana Kwame ebisa shishila say. Shishila na ona okwa ya sa di we ya. Eba begu kotoko mfi. Nti nkomodi dia. Oni shishila di wo stadium a na Dr. Kwame Chebe pieso. No say ai mo pem ye. Munya akana kotoko ni apamo me e dia mo obi fufro. Mo pem ye. Shishila wa den. Dem won na shishila he. One doctor so shishila ansa. No ni ra via pio. Na Kwame dan kwa Pharisee. So no de wati ase no kwa ko bisa se shishila se na Matthew. Na ete say na doctor epa nani. Nti kin in some course so ukwada na o baba ya sports stadium eno no. Na kin na unim say Ali Alasa no. Ika Sunday ngomo man match. Referee na okoji iska kotokone as good.
Am I the referee?
Inka debi so pay for no monty onti omo friend Ali Alasa friend is say ya ma match papa phone off. It's a ra and a ra for the say ayo akomni nchiremu. It's an Ali Alasa dum the phone. Almost almost friend from Monday no catch and say Ali yeah more match. Almost my friend papa the phone I was off. It's from Monday no Ali Alasa ni boni awayenti. We doom the phone from Monday ebesi ne. We cry trying na man say e bia na wasa. Your friend Ali Alasa the phone I was off. It's not right for a Monday match Sunday. Na go to king who nim ka match on Monday man. Ko ni media ma. Ali Alasa.
Kono na besa.
Komo man kotoko ni mediama.
We is this kabiani.
Adebi. Take away the nka oma ntata na ka we be balance wa.
It's about referees no. In for a club administrators and they see in Kono mo. Yeah. As I'm in stance on obi be ye adwuma yeso wa boka mo in stance on it.
Good. Maybe am kasa.
Because so obi ton so moka. It dey kotoko moka. So what I say is the stance. Yeah. But point in say into reference in the omo yen eye.
Okay.
Say ye timidi sika ma na wa gina one report. Na one say anya adwuma. San first come ba wo say mache so. Ade.
Guy referees. Kino mo timi say
offense na bro be 8.
Abro pa. What the bribe
time. Any obi atnas.
Yes.
And okra ni brem. One na trans one man convince so e di sika dia ma. O san catch was ko ye match bi ho adwuma. O ko ye match na so a wanye. O wie ya ye se fa sika do. Wo se sika na bali so bi.
Kid, it's somehow pa kid. Referee in the kin nya dia. On betumi.
But me ba say o trace referee from Kumasi to Tamale. Now the sika komana. We in Paboni.
So sure we dey no di UK.
Referee wa ma Kumasi.
Wa ma o me
so
Tamale.
Free Kumasi.
E ko Tamale.
E tuka. Na Kumasi to Tamale asam ketwa.
Best 6 hours journey.
Na wotimi the sika ko na say the obeje. Sa ba bi o mo ka so jere minimum pa.
Okay.
Ba bi a woman no wo fufu wo. STC had ho na. Tamale STC.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Sense and for kwa ho na.
Yeah, ko didi e o.
So, woman so fi kroba.
Oh, okay.
Dia kwa he de kroma dia.
E ko didi wo. Kiska dia de tatawa, king obeti.
Referee ba bi a mensan ye kaka ho na.
So you use scanning that. One year duma na.
There be ba bi o mo dis can feed ko he no koma no.
Oh, to me je no.
Say otini fie pa na we free Kumasi pa de sika to adem dia ba. So be man say akọ.
Akọ yeah.
So. Abe. So no.
Na kwesi apia nsem no ho. No Monday ko.
Akwasi de so nyan fa this sem ayi.
Na kwesi dia. Monday ko.
Because Madagascar for na no coach no we me 23 straight.
No be any asa.
23. That just one of the team that. So
No be any asa.
I'm saying the players re pray also obia obi pray bia oni pa onim no.
Yeah. No problem money to say na nipa do send of them. Of course, am I idea.
That's all money players.
They be on those sir. Am my idea. So metimi aba.
That's a China for grassroots players.
That's a China they nipa do so. Akwesi dey I think say match will be dealt with in full course with the Black Stars from Monday. But quickly let's remind our listeners that show no Air Live was Silver 98.3 FM page on Facebook. It's also on the Silver the Champion page, show me alive. Okay, now the first aspect of this, Utie Ed Osafwado and some of the two Jana. It's one. Kotko management no money tape neither. It's an ever because if there was an issue, a man member sorry, raising a try say obe probi sheshela. Na Dr. Kwame Chebe mu a. Before say audio riba ba bontia me nyina ya tie bobo ho a. Means the man members were aware of this particular issue. And again, esa confirm de nyina ya nim say sama sheshela kan audio no no. Sebe nye bosiri mu kan. Yes, Yejitum said there is that link. When Papa no, when Dr. Kwame Che, there's been times I would see me can't some chair Dr. Kwame Chema, Papa de Kwa Jinjimu. There's been times somebody say command Dr. Kwame Chema. Some of the man members Dr. Timmy Basi on information or they more mono et me chibianim. It's an open secret to be any. But sir all man discuss uncle tria bribe na dear. In Yinaswani said that established. But what's yet the Osafo king of the incident to see a stadium wa. Then it means to say, comment to be free Dr. Kwame Chiano Bebase. The man members need be pedenim guasiano. That means the element of trust. I don't know what so. No dear Juma SSO or the ma after money members are not official workers of Kotokoye or the Kwakoma an ordinary person like Sessilano. Yeah, no crap. Because it's only when Dr. Kwame Che and trusting the man members. It's only when Ophelia said they are incompetent to do certain job. It's only when Ophelia said the relationship between Onomi or Mono and this one thing who is seen and you say a quambia so be a separate codim kunimino or more free Sakwana sono or be paid for Framana yes, man. So honestly speaking, this issue is getting serious. The conspiracy theory now air building a big a destroy one. The image of Dr. Kwame Che as an individual build man. Because can you show Dr. Kwame Che as an individual and a brand? So what's that here? Dr. Kwame Che radio station don't entertain 77 in Sebunu also. What branding and what is so beer? Are you gospel inclined? Funny numbers, some any nyame somsem endiagro nti afibia ba na wie ya opanyen ne ton safra sofo akukudam mo call the holy park e wa atonsu ekode nyame as so we share the daily activities even apart from saade no ye na but me say his comments because me kaisa kotko kara a obi approach doctor say on first kakrambra na omufanya nyankuma de na kotko nsego he stated it every year be kan radio say okache nipa so man is kano emu aha na kotko sego and to making the class of one where's a means on so and duro sem in fan the line
on Pedro
yes I'm making the class on pensa
ntiare into my moko to bribe and kobo
I'm talking about until maybe body image in so the image of Dr. Kwame Che build their man. Because there was this alcoholic issue about Chroma in story and another. Then there's been this bribery issue. I mean, where's a means young Droso and Quabia Papa can on numerous occasions say there is nowhere all question Yame aqua this argument, even though football for the Ayajia to say a carbon or so on yes Adion. So he has a very clean image for himself. Now can bribery there in football game there ese din che bibia because ken nsa de on say ase ye age atum kakra I mean so obi twa kakra no nse da nye issue biasa but bribe there it is na wo hwe send Dr. Kwame Kyei as an individual away from Kotoko the image in the eyes of Ghanaians Senior will be affected by this issue. One, Doctor must react. Because take away Kotoko. He has a whole business oil. And can business there. Yes, so already you working on business. I mean, you have an airline. So oil company. Or hotel. Or security service. The list goes on and on and on.
Kotoko no so chen.
Kotoko so chen na but imagine sabe how one kasa as an individual. 81 under false pretense I no na make kan wasem na me de link to question and techi die no so we can Kotoko release na kire say Dr. Kwame Kyei aka kire Kotoko communication department say amon to wiase nyina nim say the sheshla ye na nyon the soma no that was what the statement is saying. So the next approach in say me nyo sure say ken obi ebetimi afa Dr. Kwame Kyei din e dia akwa ye nsamoni bi o baabi na Dr. Tia or the release kekaba, you taking actions against the person. So I'm expecting, sir, an action will be taken against Isra and Kakabo Mensa and Coca by now. Said Dim, yes, I win. But honestly speaking, first I say, let's put the lighter note aside. He must react. Kakabo Mensa say Coco Kakabo.
Kakabo Mensa.
Yeah, Coca. Action must be taken against them. Yes. Because yes. 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 Okay. Ken say only lawyers didn't come out. Case back one man for any dear empire. So obe say obi image. Say we say obi image. Lawyer be betimi abem say akoya kan sem bi agu hufi. Let me take him on fa so ba ya che. Anya no bi na nche ese edu ketia de koye obi a okotro bi za kwase bi nti o se okosi na akotro enim kwase bi nti ni pali twantro to ne so ese image he felt his image is huge wa bre a fight ya his political career and when you that image edu twantro to ne so no what do? He will take you to court no see you. So in this case it should not just be a statement from Dr. Kwame Kyei. He must take all those 3 people on if indeed and on this kind of assessment. Njenema tese chairman K5 there too that say second company for no I make sure say some call from yinsen a omudi abom no ya anya ho adwuma o man tu ho anamo de a ene ono ebechi edi ti o say ken no am ka say there's difference between technicalities and realities in the minds of an individual. You need to convince them beyond all reasonable doubt. Some accept this, no anymore. So yes, there is the release. Perfect. That is the first step. But there should be other steps coming from the Kotoko management, and especially Dr. Kwame Kyei as an individual. Now, came to the next thing. My humble advice to Doctor. Can so fairly pana on your way, Juma. So would you mudi? So would you mudi? Now make sure, sir, you give them the necessary respect. Per the position how the amount so many ejuma. Yeah, it can be possible that she's like the no. But moving forward, certain things must change. Because in the face of the public, there is nowhere as well taking the side of a supporter against your management member. The moment I next time respect the man, the office of that particular management member will lose soon. And kin the moment people around you ebe start so mu lose so respect no ebe move gradually about the drew office now also lose respect. So if you are a general manager and you are disrespecting your workers or your other managerial subordinates in front of everybody, can you say omo disrespect you, then they are getting to your office omo. So the first thing moving forward should be that Dr. Kwame Kyei must give respect to the office or the man called for some nyejuma. That attitude that this is a new rumor, it's a fact. Say a theatre and conform on Ben in some near the chim conform Eso am o adwuma wo gya am ye adwuma no.
There's one thing about this whole saga. Got to a time obi call papa na woko catch and say ono nti opanyi bi time no we use kadiama no.
Yes.
Ono nti opanyi bi time
yes.
No we use kadiama no. Wa onim di opanyi no say no kre enyo no kre no dia kojiska. Obi dia kojiska dia no we tua dia ma no. So e chese ono so sa na ma no.
Anti kira me say moving forward. That thing must disappear. So for be so onya wa kare pa. Work with the person. Say sa e beb say do ye adunama de no kakra bonus e bi e dia on pepa ne nsa ho kwan it encourage corruption. But ye po ken no feel so no ane de no anana. You cannot tell a man member say only ni ye aduma on man salary. Na se sikaba
amuso nyae.
There ken na se sikaba. No bi on nam 10 na wo tete man.
Enti me ba many members na no mo problem na say.
Ken de
Omo accept job na say okay. No sorry, ya tia.
Yeah. We are all sacrificing.
Bibi ba dia omo expect so be ma obi o wonche.
No, say yeah sacrifice dia. Say sacrifice. O say ken the kotoko job jai no. The image issue and the whole issue. Yes, the benefit and sometimes no. As what disrespect.
Never free a wonya okro.
Can as what one there. And said that but as what disrespected the office kotoko.
I cannot quite come with
okay, na the huge bar. Tino be waiting at town di. A dumana so yas one yet. No pen baby atna. When I catch it, so up on until in Kebio, no accordion.
I was like, I'm a lawyer.
He's or Yenajuma.
Yeah, free sister.
Some people will be prepared to quit the job. Baby, I want to say, on to me, trumpet trouble and see what Jack could quit. You know, pen baby. Okay, Dr. Kwame moving forward must give respect to the officers or the amount of for some young age. If you can't work with a person, fire the person. Naja is shadow management. Omo na mountain as omo na eye adwuma na se kotokoko crisis ma. They ha adwen plan no. Kotokonya ko hawa kotoko lose you and then you are blaming the man members. Kotoko dem kunima na sa shadow workers so no. Ye ne fa ha. Ye ne ekoye we. Ye ne no mo jaba so bodien. Sikaba. Doctor dey must anchor for. And there are many members in this current management and they've been crying about that issue. Say yes, escape your man mo say. Ye cho be 1,000 Ghana bi. Now who do wow tofu ogu kem. How ba ya na sa concern nipa ni bedi no. Ni didi watem.
And the situation is not funny anymore. If the doctor is not giving you respect, quit. Can you do money guy? No, but doesn't we mama ya cancer am we nya. Sebi Uncle George Amwako Akra. I don't even think Dr. Che is older than him. It's so fun Juma. Nasa can onye di opa de na ozo ye. Leave. We nya de o see set up for any discussion. Jai. Okay, we are seeing we are cancer they be repeat it. But there is one thing.
But I said also kind of side. So we are kofa obi de na ye adwuma no yesa na onja idea. Say the krom obi an obi adwuma. There are times you found say one of our fan say respect be where I saw the man. Because based on the obede kan. I just say adwuma no mo nyina ye na sacrificial job. Obi aba o person be som na ye fefe. Nti ma ho say ye ma hwe. But the better stage you know. Sikaba ho ho yes o obi oben no yes we yam 500 maybe ma kra we yam 1,000 we ma we yam we command central ni we I think that's also your management member of society edman yes is sikaba no mo dia we players ni yi but baby I kick a query I don't just say I want the right channel or whatever.
If it is not the right time, what do? You leave. Yeah, me know why. Untiamka. Na me fan say tabiaba. No asama e be say 2000. Na wa komo mo fe mo ni bi. Na me so le tina na ma san so le no pa tutu abet na be so. Beda. I will sleep. Men so le ma ha. But there is one thing. Dr. Kwame Chefa Obet of our Tom, of our PJ, of our lawyer. Omo non trust obia. Go or changing one substitution or the way by no in a phone or the yaba. Sa only do what happens when they run a cotton no fuel and not palm warm. And I cook a buy. Was our for management members to send the Oma back on San Trusty Bia. A dinja. Or Momo be been almost your own ye. sika fa nkrofo nsase adan say ono asa na ote say ono de onya enkin there is one thing very key in all this. If Obed will bear me witness, some of the appointment and recommendation, it is not from him. It is never from him. And knowing him very well, say oh you be a open crofo mo ban no. Obana so ye 1 2 okay. Any no one no worry. Inti recommendation. Okay. And you good unti afa nene ni adwuma. In the case me bana me dan ho 1 2 we no hu so bia eno anu no. Zandi no kwa kenken kwa. If you can't, those things na ka ho bi. And em panini ni omunye. But it is wrong. It is absolutely wrong because football dealings enyai wo your ball ni muda, and especially with all your penimu or that team kesi anu enyai da. And don't forget issues about referee, bribery in the business became institutionalized in our game. Referees ne bribe there no any Premier League no omoje bribe. Almost started from school games no. Okay, that is where they start from. School games no almost as ye bribe and feature na and omoje bribe na. Eti omo na mu ana omo ko division 2.
Okay.
Sa na ke ho to sika omo tua ho no. You will be surprised to hear those amount of money omo tua. Eti ma referee omo division 3, omo division 2. Even close games.
Omo tua referees.
Okay, bribe no.
Interco so much referees.
Oh, we say interco the market say match symbol schools no plan appointment.
Schools so
yes.
Omo tua bribe.
Omo na dey referee back for their games.
School football you tua bribe.
Can me say schools no matches na omo bebo no. Referees ni bu ayepon amebo referee bi ni atro tip school bi the pia omo bo qualify so na dey. O make sure say was we present.
Chama Bokore. Chama no chama. Na say odi no kofom kakra. Odi kofom open sa. Okay. Na mo nyana minya chama yes na we na mo mi. Okay. Chama say so to me kai. Oh great, oh great. Chama one oya national aye chairman wa Sante Kodoko. As a monsan sama bayana ye dun komo ba community na ye rem the whole aye saga any said a club on this ecosystem. Minim de other supporters in na no.
I'm going to make up a cram in there. Asama abana ho ko akujina ba bi aye ni ma bi afedin credit na said the odi ekotoko no onka
Silver Sports.
So asama ba me ka supporters and penifo atro press release dia ba. Sir omo sheshila na yebo ni din no omo ni bia. Etime de penifo na me ka atro mo se. Kwa bi on be fa so ama ye supporters ye bo afa ye yem sa asem no anya no kore ana omo nim ho hwe no. Eno and I made a make after the management so man nabonti. Now so been previous support about quaffre from Mampon. Some management in court no mon coaches. So you hear that
Silver Sports.
What have to do pa now what trust do now. And then what you have oh, we are going to Ukrainian football. No football, no encourage my age. Uko kase sia yeso unkebi makotoko asuma bai me kase munye Dr. Chen egu na nimu afi ana asemwe nso ene P5 na egu na nimu afi egu kotoko nimu afi seye no kra enti ofu yehu seye no kra na asanye no kra ye tonu so mo ba nti yehu sa asem no enye no kra ni enye hu free
but so I'm really statement in it say omonima branch no omono ni way. And there is some opposition.
No. Oh, and then I make us say, South and yeah, enough. So many more branch here. Okay, but South position in enough. So many more branch here. Other than I
Silver Sports.
I can talk on some of Kayan. Tian Fassam winning Shishla, drop up an idea. And now I be a Calico canoe. Mumianchino, because I thought of a Shishila may be on one pecoye dia. And then I'll see a Shishila. What's up with Tocodin?
As a chairman, who is a yes, Anna, Senator, Sam, say, Cassia, Kuma, we got to find some brother.
Image, Kotoko image, in your image, kit was out. I said to your papa, we are back. Shut King, Mammy can show. You may ask good, ever match, your press conference. Dr. Papa from Paul, extra or catch a set. Shema K5, a match in your best shamo. The extra one is a Menkoye group. Management in so, Shana Manko told referee. Okay! Emma, me catch a management one said, I see my Dr. Papa from Paul Cano. Maybe the end year. In Yame, but management now see me and Kotor referee. Mubian Sonu, Obian Tian Sonu, and no one the other.
And no time Ben as champion can answer the two Kotoko Fosso.
Messi, I know for match, that match I'm ready.
Silver Sports.
Match, now you will be a match. I'm almost your fair press conference, no match is so coach. Come on, say, young Sheba, and share the that match be.
And I'll say, wo Chama K5 and Koya Drew, now Kotoko management so a moment Kotor referee. Not as a Kotokoto reference, no, a idea, Obia Kada, Bomonti, Oman funny serious.
Oman funny serious.
And say one other supporters now, dear Namo catch management in the city, I'm more expect to say somewhere.
I don't know, make us a Sabian of the bar, Bontin, and yeah, enough. Obum Pugumia with Ampa. Shishla na akwa na ade ni ewu sampa shishla wa kogu kotoko enu asede a o punishment nie na ni asem bi ani ho
Silver Sports.
Who is say den so be punish no mo mpem fo be bibi dia fa no.
Eno ti am akwa mo omo no. Se sa asem da ho no. Ada so we punish shishla am obi ewu sampa mo ni asem mu hwe. Na mo timi punish ne dia. Wo hu tiri asem no ni ti ene ne nan. Ba asem we aba no. Also, Kotoko supporters, you free because a better for so many years. Unam crowd, we have it near who the OPBI.
Okay, Chairman, or they just supporters.
Kakra, we just supporters and say, a coin be asked to consider their match. And Momwa.
You say, the match you cross a winner over Sadura Kakra.
We are overshadowed, but still, you're betting a yama. Yeah, but much on my promo cacrasa, getting
Silver Sports.
Okay. On bar, no, Miss Bibisa, I'm about community. Why? Okay. Okay. And no air Chama K5. Okay. Chama, Andy, now we're ready.
I can't.
I can be 2 days.
It can't. Of referees, Nadia. Bribe no munya dia da kopinsi ada nyankopon be ba be fani wiase o munya ije na ehwa mo na de ma o club administrators
into at the time and say na de no of focus on the referees and will be a referees you be in a video no ni na ye ka referees but say always say obetimi de sika fi kumase e de ko tamale say me de koma referee de not to say any referees no nko na e say ma ye de kom so
okay.
If you come and say, come a bribe or
Commission of Inquiry, Nasi. I like the group Saka say, who club administrator also into a bribe than a Solubian. Opinion with me, and I can wait the top money. It was Middle League. 2 Sunai clubs, very tough one. I was about to qualify. Club administrator then move from Brahafu, a referee fee, or call 250 million. Referee say on ye. O kai referee say there be on you be demand in the finchen. Club administrator any pay free if you are no 2 envelope no. E fa award is 2 fee no ko e. Ade chen referee ya ade no come. Fee na fiscal. Come ye match ne come my team ne qualify. It again. You will secretly be why you the boss you can never reject it. Because the one is good. 8,000. What's it only? Now okay, matches the money is 8 times. And it is part of them. and can get so
but the cost because of officiating and never happen. And I'm not be now because of officiating. And now say
May 9th.
Never be brain now. At least a baby kakra.
kid there be almost sure be kakra because sikana omo ban attempting and club administrators because can so Dr. Kwame Chete ya just in case na kotoko lusu too much to us and African can ya disikaba upo nti wose kotoko nti just in case say am pass ono the suma asesela na ken o disika from her akọ tamale 8,000 for 90 minutes match no kotoko am shot on target kotoko players the omo wake kotoko am shot on target for 90 minutes no match no am shot on target against Ashgood kotoko players
I don't want to just kind of back. I reference also.
there became Scar so what the command referee ya nyine back o
The Biana Baker say, so one more shot on target. I bet him some referee. On the match, no more goal man or to go.
The scan cry engine. Or the best mama will be for. Debbie, or the best mama. I can and Osafan saying go be do cut for the media. Thank God the basic. Send the Baba.
referees ni your agents say your agents wow referees na on media African one on pa mo perform na on nante wa your agents wa on ti say match ba ko bi say on man 2000 no man again and then they want you know
Fair division
or say referee say 2000 fa get back on count
don't they say custom.
so what you say
You are the tradition.
it can
On the dark.
class no say referees your referees on one affair me na me ba bi do match no oh yeah me dey
After the SC there.
okay the way there that Ghana have been see you
And again, Omo and I see issue in the bar. Na Omonti, once I get a quiet say, Omat ya targeted a Mr. Kwesi. My point in the say. At the end of the bar, and the United Jitum say a ball no be a Kwakudunia. And the Ama ye in our co way so. Once a reference, no, I didn't see you and I'm fun so and Yantin are quite idea. As a mono so dear, no, or your moon film. As a fun as oh, yeah, the same you to be at. Yantin is will be a canasi. And it's a reference on your boat. On sorry.
ye Ghana you cry bon omuti refugee bribe ye Ghana we are refugee bribe
Can come Ghana no.
o se say butasani mo mutasani ni obam okay and no refugee bribe was me say it is part of them and as I part of them in mountain time NC tournament ba be shase na ye nyina ye hu say from referee na odi main knife e de be sisuka so no holy mama so referees na suffer and kin Masol Hamson on my officiating games on my taking decisions so clearly who say and just to favor someone on the field of play and you first thing I better try to normalize and they say referees is kind of more than last year no I feel way there you the be 200% now make it sure say the money will be paid on time start and cut on mobile sponsor no Dr. Kofi Amoa any Minister of Youth and Sport to Bogu ye Saban Osika am the barber sponsor e di ken
decisions on your more na your boss saying because so what you are say we are physically say I'm calling Dubai your more continents come be so is kaketwa
no ke say no na ye politics last time we have na ha there that ubenya from ha ye have politics enti ken empenimfo na yi omo say problems we game no e bribe and corruption that was it referees and empenimfo more Ghana Football Association omo make sure say they will deal with the football people and people who are part of the previous management now omo make sure say so mbe standing case the plan obeke 2 years no want to aba George Fie mu emepe president ni nia omo beye but adia na ye key and it's a referees time and again referee timiti sika no dey twa selfie
nti omo dream palma mo no George Free mo no a omo be pre kunwa omo de ni hia omo kra chen obi ade
aken omo dey extension dey no my mo mama dey ba ko my say me fan say time dey mo ni so and omo dey extension from March you will say me ye di me omo ide dey no my on bi mo ade ba ko omo dey 2 months no my dey omo nya che e dey no my omo nya che dey obetam si abande dey na wa match omo mle ko ba se nya no kwa It is the main cause, the root of Anas issue no air reference up till now.
Yes, okay.
Yes, always.
Yes, Maswa.
Yeah,
Braka cry,
yeah. Ken, the edi kind me ho like me ho de enti Nyankopon edru me bia no wayi leader bia ne team odin pa di o man bi so. Because issue e Idi Amin and Kensi. Oh yes. Said that Idi Amin. Ah na we dey say nkanye shi nko aye ho adwuma dada. But I had a kid win can ne cry yes nka asem we san this nka ne de yet ne say ya fro mo ma ya te de omo kokan. And actually people who are serious. Nyame ne bo bia but wa wusu mind to hey wo mind betumi abress ano wagu. That I don't make casa me kwa so no because ye monpai magana penifo na me buafo obi nti ase bibia ansesa from 92 ma bompai up hey bibia enchesa nyame ni wo nyame wo ho banyankopon ye discipline it ansa na wo so ben you have to be disciplined e say unya nyankopon so ba na de mo ama so mu yo mo say Ghana ye nyame so man me boa yeah concept my concept ken he issue no e ba ya ye see enim hyehyela wo hu wi ase Everybody, I'm so she's like crying him no. Oh, you, hey, Yamin Fang in a bonnet chair. She's like a radio so bad 10 years Casamako.
Because of the club name.
Yeah, can me about imaging. Yeah, as some let's see a can't have no.
Oh, you're right on that statement.
No, second, Yan Sovi
club on the channel.
Daddy,
don't be sacrifice.
Club no so saying or the club near Kutia. Can't yet in it. Kotokoni be obeka so munim Cecilia Biano, Uncle Heaven. Oh, straightforward. Because for what me back man say this is my fifth year. Me my sis la kasa wo radio so ama kotokosa o your communication member. Radio ben no nkoso. Wa kasa ama kotokoli satanya na omunim no. So they are trying to tell Ken say kotokoli obi asoro otumi kwotena radio so kasa nti team na wo kasa e big no. Is that a mark of a big thing? Wait, 80 obi a no betumi so onim sesla. If you almost catch woman named Cecil, I'll be very much disappointed in them. The mom, the air can say, yeah, yeah, smart Cecil. And you're too different from say your name Cecil. Or more, they are not on top of the issue. Hey, I do one bay, no more problem, no more creative baby. It is all cast of wood named Cecil, and I say, I don't know crimes are why and our who done it. Also, Cecil, dear, or your supporter, any in the bedroom, and yeah, smart. And you're different from say, who name Cecil. Okay. Now, yeria side way. Ken, yamra. Once Yankopon ma Moses mra. Because Yankopon is say ye den ye beya so den. But Ken say mra no wo ho a throw any punishment de be mountain ade bi wo ho wenye. Enti anya kra bete nyoma so. Ken Ghana police ye bomb ye ka say obu ye say but omu ni Ghana nkenye. Omunya kura no mo presence keke no e solve it problem. So this is the issue in it. Accident we are there to prevent it. But emom ye kwan papa se na be den ye bete so. What am I say? Sanso na security nko bi sinifia na so ban ne ade nko mo mfa security. But emom omo fa se na be ya nko phone to me ye de enko fa omo nioma all the time. It ye wait here de so. It's a problem a ye create by NC ne says your government na ye Ghana bo. Government ne NC ne problem pans or one so corruption so Ghana until no muntu ben carry no. Because everyone am say first thing so mo friend Dr. Che. Second one no my friend referees no. Third one is some of fresh Sela. The fourth one is some of friend Kakabo and Kokwa. Why he ne din we nye we ano. Okay din we. King, this is the first thing they should and can run out. It should need break it up now and can say. Omo friend. It's in Kakin near Betnas near say or man no some so more quite the same as in who the echo. And then a basin no mon friend to Contiana. Is it because I echo to Contiana? Is Kotoko bigger than the loss, another bigger than loss at the Bobo hand? Even Ramadri Kran a be from. Is it because I echo to Kana? Mentiase. Say a team kit to have been a quay and come afre. Na ye do one brand ye name says la, ye name says la, and see what are they do among this rally committee or then or more. And so from ni young castle my bonny, or from money at your manu dinsem. Near who say indeed, more take action. Nakin, Edma Nas ye, on says here, Name Kabi say, or be your cassette ya Nas, you are corrupt. o say edu be bi edu se me ma so me anka obi obeka say ti anas bia me ntie obi em ye kan na nkofo ntie ase ntie asema anas kan ye so oboa no ye we no no ye corrupt or ye we enne me no ka say nye the same thing as happen ntie anas eduma no ye na eduma pa na nye eduma pa. Again, the problem is your Ghana is penning for no more dear more consistently. Now, the person me sound warning to be and say, King, who leadership position, we are young powers as usual. I saw your henny, we are president, we are minister, you are like God. Because who now would that ne servants nano. Into a dear woo ye be so would you have been a pack. And mentia say, it is a question, it is a collective crisis one. I say tintina onyeska inte a crime be of us be obenyeska. Can we live in this country like that? Nti said your fan e you and you this is a referee in here. Young boys on go school no more ntwa no mark so mo ko referee. Only America to crack no kwa referee.
Referees.
Oh baby.
Omo ko school no man.
Baby.
No be referees.
No be referees is here. So mo say nne no who we university ni ade kura adwuma de e di nti obefa referee do obenya bia di no wage bribe. It came me disappointment and me want to say issue we no yembu obi afọ because yenyan hwehwe me mpese me bu obi afọ doctor wan obi anya we want to say be but e mom ka issue na ba say no e wo see a friend of we e ye from kura che
so we less than 24
hey king obi
and chess
king ma me more example say otie political terrain na unsa asem bi koso say ese omo a ya kidnap obi abo penny bi din wo Ghana edi sen ne ka say ehia no CID office na 24 hours aba edi sen enti yen the right and by e adwen say yenye na kem di omo ye nyina ma me nkyro ade bi issues na esisi wo Ghana na ha ya buwe ya tutuo ha ya ye we ni ma me nkyro eye nkofo bi asada eye ne aka say say nyantachi wanye hwe na sa nete. I'm telling you the truth.
Yeah, very nice.
King, now your politics in politics everything is possible. Nancy King said in prayer ye nipa adwen we yetri. Na asem we si me wiase nyina asere yen. Na King said akola bi wi ade kra ha da ugwana. 7 to hu so ugina ha obeba. King akola kro omma. Intin kan na issue by the whole world sere yen 7 prayer biasa. Ye nipa ye Ghana for sabi yen so ye duan ame boy adwen we yetri nyansa we yetri. Enti ye ntumi nye bibi kitikiti ne yen hu se ye bibi afa. Aden na de ekoso kra ye west. Na kire se o ma bom tiri mu po so mbe ye nyoma bia na akwa yete se the anas be ye no kra no we no man ye hwe na eye sa nete en mate asem se ye se ebi mu se shishla ye unintelligent or ye unwise shishla ye illiterate denti na ye se na ye wo nkofo bia nyame bom so omo na etua bribe omo de omo na nim bribe tua wo. That is not the case. It's not about who did money won't be in your fasting
bribery. You find some with your bribe.
Yes.
Some with your bribe. You find also what could you bribe? With your bribe on the demand the panel. Bribe on a cop. I didn't know expect number. So baby I won't just smart and say, what you bribe by and some come back. Because immediately obey wife and say, oh come back as you could use bribery babante.
Yeah, kid, and me know ya doing.
It's what will be better say one yes smart.
Yeah, one yes smart. But the etini kid, oh yeah, money, I want to mean yes smart and read that.
No one account.
Yes.
Or mom yes smart power we are about.
Yeah.
Yes,
of course.
Because I drain no crowd, the baby too.
Yes, I will. Into other years, Shiom. Obi mutumi ba bem be wieska so many yen kasa be ye chom. Se wo ya de na eye wi na ye bone a. There is no way I'll be to my smart to the end. It is for a short time. Where they are, you bet you. Wow, be creative hole near the actual. It can. What I'm trying to say is that this lying here on intelligence, you win there. That is not the issue. The issue is about the bribe. It is an guy at the mobile or intelligent, the anke, okay, Anna.
Blanca, Grima.
Now is a young couple crown out the way. Oh, in some BC and Yamina boying. Send your Bianchi be you weighing in every bomb. Nanka Ghana, ya quite a name or bonum. Na second aha krani and a blasters you uncle for fight so many biabo. Do you know what is going on there? Seriously, as Ghanaians no. I was say I ready epe. say ya person ye say ye man na mombom ne ye nsa because my ultimate America ba say obi am free am be be sankwa enka no ma Oma where my papa me na yesa me catch us say nye papa eh kin
Moses say
sa no mbeka kin okay 90% kin okay 90% beko
fine what percent
se oni me ya na kin wa wuti mfia nyame ayo admo wasi a wa bresi ni ye ka se firi okoti no bi firi na obedwane afa
so be so America can so go country from
country papa
okay
Garba mami Garcia
that's a part also Garba bread no me
2011 scandal BC was Turkey. It's called the Turkish football scandal. Now, such scandal number how matches are fixed in the world in football. Totonero FC Italy, Calciopoli AC Italy, and Bernard Tapie of Olympique Marseille during his days as president of Marseille, and also how matches are fixed in the game. And on the social issue, we had the Turkish football scandal they see, so team be person or bribe referee. For example, Fenerbahce and Besiktas. These were the two clubs that no mudi mo tintin by UEFA. A punish you or you or move you competitions. So patron no na referee na me na me match official na me Fenerbahce official me person me be bribe or sika no me nyanyam na me dey bribe me dey mami sister bi. No dey abro. So I would not have contact with you. Me who that.
it's a honor married
Me the mommy sister we me nia bi na o dey abro. So I will not meet you. Me no nhia. Another one so no mu ye nie. Restaurant ni a restaurant 2 p.m. Ko table or black polythene bag. Suitcase black red fako. So you will not meet me.
and I do too Kroma the suitcase
There be ya hyehyɛ sɛ saa ne yɛ no.
but Kroma the ko to we be ka kofa
Yeah.
ti pafo from
There be chroma kwa mo yesa. Organized crime, you have no idea. Any friend organized crime. And to sign on Turkish football scandal, how they did it. But as I say, abefo technology akonenim. Take your my or mako menim Ghana, they were able to go to the roots of all the scandals in Turkish football. How did they do it? Police wiretappings. Nkomodia no mudidi. So we share referee no be over friend.
there was our technology
I will come to that. So I'm building patron.
Very good point.
So this is how the Turkish football scandal. You really more yetimi usampa. Fenerbahce penny on match or bribe referee. When share referee no that. Never. Official be in share referee. But omo ye ya be chiomo. Kwan be so mo fast chiomo. It's through technology. So wo phone, wo be kasa. So over Italy so dey na sa pepepe. Because I dey friend no corruption. Omo ye corrupt no. It's not that they are smarter than the victims, no. This is how I corrupt for now be we am they are only smarter than me. But I don't expect you to steal my property. For instance, okoto mobile phone. Now be do fe now be business now we say a housing and a natie na ya park wo mu a. The oya osa no, onye smarter than you. But why expect it?
but wrong and
You see, you didn't expect it. Sanity. Oh, expect it. Me didn't hear that. In 2009, when I was in the Ivory Coast. Oh yeah.
obi
Oh yeah. There's one particular time now me call.
your phone or the man
Now me call classes B. So
edunka do me se
me
your
call.
mobile phone
Yeah, me call into me Drew Station or unim baby a friend Ajame in Abidjan. So it's that I'm Sonny Erickson. Also, my phone be a basso. Yes, never pa. So we got to be.
oh for the cheap
Oh yeah, cheap one.
edunka so ma so
Oh monopa. Sa housing.
say good
Na tie na ma pack it. Me Drew and I me friend say. There do also my friend. Say me kita. You see how it is. Into obe miamia. It is all the mammy no or sister no. Na me born in. Oh so we say ya. I know me. Oh, you say I know me. And my mom are crossing tips. They are not smarter than the victims. They are victims. And how they do is that they do it to the extent that they leave no traces. I won't leave traces. Because the moment I will leave traces, you know, you better on time. So no one should expect a Kotoko. Any as go game, no more call Bible referee, no more the Befa Perisha. So no, they will not do that. Never. They will use an intermediary. Somebody who is not directly involved in the club. That's how people in football, that's how they fix matches. And to say that is not relevant. So say they are relevant penny. Yes. Why the demand? This is the issue. Why the demand? You see, common sense. And no make us say in common sense. As some nobody here kono. Ghana for the name bribe no go tia. As some you high and can see so bet sa obi ani. Dabi pemfo timi bu be timi ka say yen kan sa bet uni. And now I say we enti obi ani baby e ko. Let's use common sense. Somebody paid bribe. Yes. It's not normal. And yet common. It doesn't go with common sense that somebody will be on related to Kotoko. Anyhow, no after 8,000 or can bribe the referee for what? Let's use common sense in this. So somebody paid bribe. This is the truth of the matter. Because in trust you, it doesn't make a single sense. Says Selabe for 8,000 to bribe referee. Risk his life from Kumasu to Techiman. Then from Techiman to Tamale. For what? So somebody paid bribe. Yes. Kotoko bet my friend ready.
I was a gunner. I will be able to patrol, sir.
I said we don't even judge. Everybody has judged this case. But the econo. Opinion our friends is out as more kind. Osuti as na no krewu. K5 ye Kotoko ni. Enti uti baby na isa go there be Kotoko contain K5. He has been a board member of Asante Kotoko. He has involved in football machinations, grand schemes in football in Ghana. K5, nobody knows is better than him. He says that Otie Odrona. Omu se nukrewu.
Obi Nesman.
Yeah, no kind. So who Obi Nesman? Nesman no. Enti na make say, what the tutun senye no to ho. Then you do your common sense analysis. You will come to the conclusion that a bribe was paid. Somebody from Kotoko.
From who?
Yes, from the team. Who? Somebody from Kotoko. But enti na make Kotoko bet ma fan ready. Because they are doubts. This is common sense. But then say they ban law. Nearby the determination of the case, Kotoko, perhaps on betima from Wadi. But me my common sense and say, asem we obitia bribe. Because it beats my common sense, my understanding, and from my learning and my experience, you know, Bibia to say, obitia bribe. Now to the more important issue. 2016, Techiman City and One African United. Crucial game. Now said Mickey Charles Techiman City or win this game against One African United. No more qualify ABPM in the Ghana Premier League. Techiman City, they had excellent players at the time. Baba Mahama, Ebenezer Japan, Razak Idrisu. You talk about Mohamed Idrisu. The likes of Isaac Baoyome. They had the team. But now Mickey Charles game no drop one dinner. So I'm going to bribe. Kotoko case here. Now when baby I'm fast with you. Open be a friend Midima for Timase. Now Midima for you be a friend to Techiman City. On your official. On no money to quite to say good friend of Mickey Charles. I know the tears are bribe no. Emma Nana Jamra Iakwan, who was owner of One African United. Opinion about what you say, Annie, Mickey Charles in Techiman City. I'm chia bribe man say match in Mingum na Migumu momo, and I'm winning here. And somewhere there, ethics committee mushim. Ethics committee, it's not say bua same year. Ye no, almost so that I say, omu nimdo omu yenti flaws, procedural flaws, omu kotenasi. Ethics committee man say, omu here lawyer or 10 years experience standing. Ne se ko wie no na DCOP Kofi Boatena so no na enya yie case no tena so Kumase no be na no kra na nkasa no Techiman City tua ambra no omu tua bribe no be make chance any paying for omu use technicalities, the procedural flaws of the sittings of the ethics committee of the Ghana Football Association no e ko wie yes season as 20th February 2016. Unim da I do a case where in a week 19 February, it was a Friday. Because last Saturday, Kotoko ne wafa, but first match of the season, I was Ogakope, Duncan time. It's yet Nasa, I am fan of Korean Juma Ogana Ada. Adia Kotoko and a per my common sense. Tetima City 2016 Shensi. And to be partner said, they may partners of a problem conclusion. 2016. The issue Kotoko is way up. Tetima City Yebi, Omu Yusu. Wakadre Kwansa, Yankano Kreda. Yankano Kreno, and I'm who say, I Ghana football. And you hear that. Because Yankano Kre. Not Tetima City Yebi, and see until the league. Empo, Ampa. Yes, I say Kotoko. They will find their way out because this is damaging to the reputation of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Maybe dear, my common sense analysis let me say somebody paid the bribe. BTI. Okay. And then you touch me say, sister, I be find sicker. So I will complain for what?
For quick one day, Dr. Moses. But your man, I don't ride it. Young Ghana, your brand, I did see your quiet as you there be again. I did your brand against because I say, your brand so I can't send me different bro. So, okay.
Again, one thing. Kotoko against Techiman level.
It's a movie and who was
Techiman level 3-0. On said Techiman level 1 the spending back. I said, Jenna goalkeeper and no man in jail. That was one. Against Bichim. Centroni Bako, Emma Bichim Francis, who precious man, and watching me and Kakra. Kiluti, and we are Barbatos. Sekotoko and 2-1 a more year. San your mammy and son are building. It's Naki Kabuma and Sama, a Baba Dawa, a Bugu Quinimasepa.
Okay. And is a good person to your bro must power. As I'm
Oh, that is all. Football. So, the reason why I'm saying that, the reason why I'm saying, Seme, me a football official. Me drew that. And the second, football officer already. Goalkeeper, 4-5. Referee, what we are
4-5.
Oh, 4-5. Goalkeeper, referee. What we and yet, oh, they can.
Already.
No, I'm saying that. Sir, you don't need to waste money. It's the okay goalkeeper and goalkeeper's nothing. And American issue about was a to 2-1 more because so many guas. And I'm more better to stretch and everything. And again, me, yeah, to have be in such a be a dimension. Why? Oh, but I go for one and I want to almost say, and now I'm going to say, she's like I already was marked for 5 years.
Yes, what I wrote was also the few. Dr. Moses, and your trust. Yes, we will call you. Boss. I'm a town also. Oh, it's a Friday, you will be there. I'm a
say, yes, you're Sunday or March. You say, qualify.
Dr. Moses,
Dr. Moses, will check a crack. You say, you're one of a classroom. Yes, your first one. As a match, I don't know, say last match that you qualified. Was yet in a one Fincham. Young Kutia, young position, I'm at the and I play back, Manafima, and Papa, if you Muntimo, since the money I call. A player instead of what's the man who's our buyers. Normalization committee for Dan Kupia, Dr. Kofi Amwa, and someone I said for. I said, I'm more fun serious. Because you think on my naked behind the brabs are because I said group will know dissolve. I had some dissolve and I saw me got a coffee. Because you think that's not the Bia brab between brab. Now you are going to take for Master Modia, Master, I able to Tom Car. Muko, he's taking up 11 wonders, and also size him Mukutia Brab. And this she's like a award. Into Coco because of Minimum. Could be a yes, what I say, and of Fadia award, come because of Minimum. Until I make a house and make tell, sir. Have you, boss? I didn't hear you football. Women talk for the mental, but think of one member, but could come in your madam for 2 moon victim, have you won madam for. But the other both I say you through what it's my sister, I got to make a say, your mission. Say your mission to call what does your mission. Ever Saba. And the young is adding through. I last one is already if I can find a beautiful house and look at all. There's something to add on to I say you for, and I wish I next time to saw. On for coming and attend that. I'm back with 18 matches, back with 24 matches. nti ya akɔ frɛfrɛ nkɔfɔ mu nkyɛnkyɛn no ɔmo so ɔmo deserve ne sa team ni bi nti wɔn hwɛ hɔ
na na mo kyerɛ no ba
ayi na ma ayi na ɔmo hwɛ ni so
why na ya reading it because maame
kɔ yɛ ntumi kɔ hyehyɛ la ma ti bi
o hwɛ ne sɛ wo sika sana na nim no o hia de
Oya amuzu pi.
sɛ mo fi de sɛ kokɔ
Amuzu pi nye kokori.
amuzu pe
E pi.
de
Se ya odi ya o.
ah mi ya de mi ba
ya o de odi ya boss player
ade ya
wonim asamene say and the advice we na me
So you call it to
the Muslim football players imam say in country mo say football nti untimi break fast last mo say a garba church mu
chief imam say
enka jai ball no kura ball
isa
a serious oh the reason sir last year the man
ade we dey so over me ochno
garba the man
sani
reason to me I'm coming the garba the man won say your reasons we were able to kwan oba oboni nsa e na wo yare a ontimi nya anase obi a wo stomach ulcer when the dia be how no
but won't you make us football
and kura ontimi nsa say I said
player saneva
me ba
player betimi
fast tie uti fie e bobo a sa wo bo ma
media ma say eba kuma
but who travel up be dia o bet ma ka say bia o and fast no wo bia
that's a player so be travel
or
travel kwa no betimi that
ye nya report be say ebi mu ho a o mu bo hom kura if o mo ti fe o match no mo nye
it chief remember nya report to say Muslim players be omo nya chiria
bebre just like that because of football
omo
the football now o say enka dom say enya reason enka ho anka jai ball no kura ball no fire fasting no I said first no jai tum say just like that I was sorry 3 months non stop
so who jai tum say
who jai ba without any reason
60 days
60 days I was say you 2 months 2 months no tum say without break here I say
no say
and yeah is enti I was say mo say ya na make am what
anything
I was say mo but one player after that you know as I took to go
Sunday or match any go for your mom to mama you chief mama it's Muslim players and say modiano no yeah secretary among twaso nya ade no e ba say hadwen Miriam boko there
Boko.
oh great now one say me mama ya na twa ho hia
Na me shemfin.
o shemfin
Sa na nyame boy we ase.
sesen
O de memma si ho na o de ma shemfin. Ti ya na shemu mu.
answer we am kind answer
na e fast ntimi
One
ka
tiasi. O say ye do so chemu. Ti ye boro mo so. Di say mo ha mo ye 6. Be boy. Na me shemu.
say say chen 4
Me say me ka say me che me ho ama mo so am be so me. Say me ma agudi e wo me ho ne do so bi abenya ne de tokro bi abegye ne de. E won tiasi.
o de twaso ene e ready
Yeah, the number na ye pennies number na e mama fu. Na answer na the number na be tu dwa no. Na me nua be me ka say ye Muslims for sometimes omo nye chiria no. Na
omo mo ball no
omo mo ball. Unim. Na obo bibi din say obo na o say ne ye frɛ ni. Sa nipa na onfa sa cement nchi. Onko pa amuzuki. Sa onu amuzuki a.
we are for
you na omo mo ye chiria ni nyina na omo ye footballers no. Omo to amuzuki. Garlic etimi boa ma o blood ni circulate tutu meka ugwa ha na o fa ha no so no ma muzu gin no e ma omoja ntimi di afu sane ye nti obi obobol bia uhia amuzu gin garlic ye pennies number no 0249 43 0247 677743 0247 677743 me ba cho ye number no pennies number na ye wokuma setapo club 600 ye dwumadi a ye di nyina ne se ye boa mema wo mo efa won tuma pefra wo bra wo mo ene ma ehia na ye di no bi so abedwa so mini kan fa ye dro ni entuda e dro ye de abedwa so no amuzu pi tell na me ka se mini abe me empo bi na wono amuzu pi no painkiller na painkiller no wono mu a eboa ema tembia no unko oyawm